Why Messenger can't Google Maps? Messenger won't open Google Map links. Let's fix it in seconds. So, step 1, update Messenger. Old versions often block Google Maps links. So, to do that, open App Store, head over to the search tab, use the search bar, and look for Messenger. Now, on the results tab, click on Messenger and then click on the update button. Step 2, clear cache or reinstall Messenger. This removes glitches, stopping links. So long press on the Messenger app, click on the app info, and this would take you here. Head over to the storage tab and then click on the clear cache button to clear cache. Third, change browser settings. Enable external browsers so links open in Chrome or Safari. Step 4, if it still fails, copy the link and paste it directly into your browser. Check your internet connection and permissions. Messenger needs access to open external links. And that is how you can fix that issue.